Ladies and gentlemen, it's a Wednesday afternoon and it's a great day to be an American. For today, we salute our veterans here at the New York Stock Exchange and across the nation. So with it being almost 4 o'clock, traders ready to run out of here and me ready to keep working over at the office, it's a special red, white, and blue Veterans Day happy hour in the Big Apple. U.S. stocks lower this Wednesday amid low oil prices and disappointing results from Macy's. But first, as previously mentioned, it is Veterans Day, so banks are closed and so are the bond markets. In addition, several European markets were closed for Armistice Day. Meanwhile, Macy's is down about 13%, on track for its worst day in more than 7 years, as the retailer cut full-year sales as well as profit forecast, while also posting a surprise drop in quarterly same-store sales as customers continue to cut back on spending. Now, in contrast, shares of Amazon.com hitting an all-time high today, going back to the company's initial public offering back in 1997. In addition, crude oil prices falling more than 2% in late morning trade after the API showed a greater than expected build in U.S. crude stocks. And when you team that with the U.S. dollar giving back some earlier gains and gold inching lower, then you have yourself a session where about 4 stocks have fallen for every 3 advancers right behind me here at the New York Stock Exchange. Let's take a look to see how the markets have shaped up to close out this trading session. Now, investors also keeping an eye on Singles' Day sales in China, the local version of Black Friday hosted primarily by Alibaba every 11/11. The e-commerce giant saying final sales for the shopping event totaled $14.3 billion, therefore beating expectations and even besting last year's record of $9.3 billion. For more corporate news, check out our earlier ModernWallStreet.com market movers report with our very own Lilda Smates. And rather than have a special sports outro, this is a special day, not because of Veterans Day sales, but because today we honor Americans, those who served and protected this great nation of ours. And without these courageous men and women, we, dare I say, may not even be here right now. So I would instead like to take this time to say thank you to all of you who have served and are serving this amazing country of ours. Support our troops, honor our veterans, and never forget those who are no longer here amongst us. And on a personal note, I have 2 uncles, 1 father, 1 grandfather, and here at the New York Stock Exchange, many friends and family who all have or currently are serving. Thank you all. From ModernWallStreet.com saying I'll see you guys tomorrow morning, I'm James Swin.